In this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how you could connect your Nintendo Switch or Switch 2 to a monitor step by step. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before we do begin, make sure that you have your Switch console or your Switch 2 console, the docking station, the power adapter, and an HDMI cable. But essentially, flip your Switch around, and what you can do is remove your Joy-Cons if you would like. You don't have to remove them, but it does make docking somewhat easier, I guess. But from here, just grab your docking station, open up the back cover, and you're going to see the AC adapter port up at the top and the HDMI out port at the bottom. Plug in that power adapter if it's not already plugged in up at the top and the HDMI cable into the HDMI out port, and then route both cables through the wall. And then, of course, go ahead and close that cover. Plug that power adapter into the wall outlet and plug the other end into an HDMI cable on your monitor. If your monitor does not have an HDMI port, you will need an HDMI adapter that matches your monitor's input, like a display port or a DVI. But place the dock facing you, take the switch, make sure the screen is facing forward, and the USB-C charging port is at the bottom. Carefully lower it straight down in the dock, and it should sit pretty snugly, and the screen will turn off. This essentially means it's in dock mode. You'll even see a green little light pop up on the dock itself, and then just turn on your monitor, and use your monitor's input source button to select the correct HDMI port that you plug the switch into. If everything is connected properly, your switch screen should now appear on the monitor, and now you can use your Joy-Cons wirelessly. You can go ahead and attach them to the controller grip, or you could use a Pro controller and play on your monitor. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.